Yo guys, it's me again, S5 2000, and I'm back with another unboxing. So recently I bought this 180 Noto Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. I chose the blue Hera color because I found it the prettiest, like the dark blue color. So now let's carry on with the unboxing. I apologize if you guys don't like this place where I film because I have no other place to film right now. Like my family is at home and it's really noisy outside, and yeah, my entire room is dark because of the way the block faces the sun or whatever. But I'm moving house at the end of the year, so yeah, maybe I hope I can get a better view by then, but let's carry on for now. So first I'll take off the film. Okay, so at the front you'll expect this black finishing with a sticker, Aventador LP700-4 Roadster, Auto Art signature with a Lamborghini badge. On top, it's also the same with the 118 scale replica. So at the side, similar as well, just stickers can be removed. And then beneath, you will get the license, autoartmodels.com, blah 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 blah, license. Okay, so let's start. I'm not sure which side to face, but I'm just gonna open it from this side. Okay, I just opened the package. Just move all this aside. Now let me know guys if you like the way of the style of the video style I'm filming right now. Whether you like me holding up the camera and moving around, or you just like me to station the camera at one place and film the car. But I feel that this particular movement is quite cool because I can show you guys clearer look. So this is really my first legit auto art model because my anniversary didn't come with the brochures and everything. So safety measures, cool. You got the brochure, gives you all the information about the model and what it has to offer. And I got the certificate, the most important piece, 0377 Blue Hera. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it down for a while. So I'm not sure which side. I want it to face the correct side, so I'm just gonna hope it's this side. Okay, and I'll face this side. Okay. Okay, we have the first look at this model. Very nice dark blue paint. I'm not sure that I should have gone with the light blue though, cause I saw it in real life as well and I was actually in a dilemma. The light blue one was also quite cool, but it was not a gloss. So I noticed this when I was buying it. The paint under the sun right now it looks good, but at a certain angle, you can tell there are actually like scratches. Yeah, so the guy told me it's a factory defect, or like the way they polish it scratches it, so there's no choice. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove the paper. Actually I should not. Nah, shit. Okay, never mind, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna unscrew it now. So I don't think I'm gonna edit the video, so you guys might want to skip this part. This is the legit model. Looks very nice, the blue. I'm not gonna open up anything for now because I'm gonna do a review if I have the time. But I might need to polish the model. It looks a bit dull. But overall looks good. Not bad. You can see the dark blue. It might not actually look good in your collection because it's a bit, if you look it, you will see it from afar, it looks black. So it's just your personal preference. The interior, engine, and then I'm just gonna open up the other stuff. There was something else on the box. Sorry if there's a background noise. There's like some rally going on. Screw this shit. Okay, so here we have the pieces for the roof. They feel very heavy, okay, because it's pure metal. Okay. So these are the metal pieces. What the shit though? Damn bloody noisy, but what are those? Can someone help me? I don't know what this is though. Yeah. Shit. I'm gonna read the manual later. But oh boy. What the oh boy, it's damn noisy. To my viewers, don't vote SDP please. I don't wanna die. Thanks. Okay, that's my attempt at putting the roof on. I hope this is the correct way. Yeah, I'll figure out it later on, but so that's my unboxing for now. I'll figure out what this is. So very nice model overall. Gonna put a review out soon if I have the time. Nice collection ad. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and see ya.